Welcome to Codman Distilling Company. Today we're doing a gin run. We're doing our first no dilution gin run attempt, where we don't want to add any water after the final distillation prior to bottling. We just want to possibly add a little bit of reserved product that we took off to lower it down to the proof we need. We think this will result in a cleaner product, and we're going to check it out. To do that, you need to start off with a really low proof, around 30 or 40 proof. So to do that and make a larger batch at the same time, we had to use the larger still, the 100-gallon still. So in the 100-gallon still, which is insulated because it's hot here in Florida, we have 15 gallons of 190 proof malt neutral, and we have 85 gallons of water. That brings it down really low. You see the insulated black insulation around the column there. Inside of there is all the juniper and coriander botanicals. And above that is an 8-inch end cap that we just removed and poured the botanicals into once the still was all warmed up and producing product. I've also insulated the line up there a little bit, as you can see. So we're running on all 5 elements now. That's 3 4,500 watt elements and 2 4,100 elements, 100 watt elements. So 20,000 watts or so. We're getting an awesome rate here. I mean, that's just pouring. We had a little bit of color in the beginning from the oils. See, we're running about 130 proof right now. So we're going to collect off some high proof, just as in case we are on the low side of proof, we can add some of that. I'm not going to save too much, maybe a couple gallons. And then I'll collect the main into here, and then I'll collect about 10 gallons at the end of the very lower proof. They aren't really tails because this is very, very clean 190 that we made on the 30 plate crystal, which you can see a section of over there, or reconfigured. So cooling water, we're using about 1.8. So get that focused on there. 1.84. And let's see, we're coming out at about 166. You can see right there, PC water out. So I could crank that down a little more on my Danfoss. So I took that, I crank it down to 1.6, and now it should level out. It'll take a while for that temperature to rise, but we can punch out 170, 180, even 185 easily with 195 degree boiler temp. So we used about 2.5 kilograms of juniper, about 1 kilo of coriander. The other ingredients were literally down in the 1 gram range, so we kind of lowballed those a little bit. We can always tweak it a little bit later with a separate extract made with lab still. We'll just whip up a little bit with a single gram or so. But literally, yeah, it was 1 or 2 grams for most of the other ingredients. That's how powerful they are compared to the coriander and juniper. Anyway, we're looking forward to making a big batch of our half-mine vapor infused gin today. And Codman Distilling out.